Hello everyone, thank you for joining me today. Today's magic card trick tutorial has to do with just a regular deck of cards, well mixed, well shuffled, no setup, no gaffes. Have a spectator just select any card that they like. It is a true and free selection, so let's just assume for demonstration purposes they pick this card right here. They look at it, remember it, don't show you. You take their card and just lose it somewhere in the middle of the deck. You have no idea where it is. Give the deck a few cuts and even a nice shuffle, completely losing the location of their card. Now I'm going to need the help of two helper cards for this, and I'll use this one here and this one right here. So that'll be my two helper cards, and hopefully they're my two favorite cards. Yeah, they are. The Ace of Diamonds and the Seven of Diamonds. Now if I take these two cards, place them face up somewhere in the middle of the deck, hopefully they'll work their magic and be able to help me find your selected card. Give the deck a shake, a magic tap, and hopefully one card will actually be sandwiched in between those two helper cards. And look at this, there is one. What was the card you picked? Was it the Five of Diamonds? And that's simple sandwich. Now before I show you how to do it, please as always like and subscribe to this channel and this video. I really appreciate it. I also like to give a shout out to my channel members. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for supporting this channel through the YouTube channel membership program. And if you're looking to support this channel through the YouTube channel membership program, you can do that all in the links given in YouTube below. Also, visit thebestmagicshop.com for some awesome magic tricks and gimmicks. You can also sign up for a newsletter to be notified of new tricks, discounts, and more. All at thebestmagicshop.com. All right, simple sandwich. Nice, quick, and easy trick to do. It just uses a regular deck of cards, well mixed, well shuffled. You can borrow the deck, it doesn't matter. There's no setup, there's nothing, no gimmicks, no gaffes. All you're doing is having the spectator select any card that they like and controlling that card to the top of the deck. So let's just say they pick this card right here, the Jack of Hearts, and what you do is you take the card, control it to the top any way you'd like. I have a video on 3 different ways on how to do this. Push it in somewhere, below the middle of the deck, and then on your last push, push in, pushing down on their card, and then get a pinky break above their card. So their card is on top of this bottom stack right here, and then just cut half the top stack, place them on the table. The second time you cut right at the break, place those on the table, take the rest of the cards, place them on top just like that, and that'll get their selected card to the top. Now you can, once their card's to the top, you can shuffle as much times as you'd like. As long as you shuffle the top card last, that will keep their selected card on top. Now you just go through any way you want and just get out 2 helper cards. I like to dribble them a little bit, pick one card out, say I'm looking for my favorite cards, there's those. That gets your deck into a little bit of mess that you have to put back together, and when you're doing that, you can get a break underneath the top card, turn these 2 cards over and on top of that top card, and now you have a break here. So that break will help you now grab the top 3 cards, which their card will be on the bottom, peel one card over, you say, oh, these are my helper cards, this is the 4 of clubs, and then take these, this is 2, place them on top, square them up, and then they think you just have 2 cards, flick down half of the deck, place these anywhere you want. So there's a total of 3 cards here, their cards already sandwiched in, don't spread them, show them, just take them as their 1 card, the spectator thinks there's 2, just spread down half of the deck and just place them somewhere in the middle of the deck. Now you can kind of see when you're doing this where their cards are, they're kind of right there. So just cut the deck a few times if you want, just the little cards. Don't cut at the sandwich cards or the trick won't look as good. Give them, 2 cuts, the magic tap, you can shake the deck, whatever kind of magic moves or misdirection or anything you want, any kind of flair, and then when you spread the deck out, no matter where you cut, if you just did simple cuts, these cards are still going to be together with that selected card right in the middle, and then you can just turn it over and reveal that that's their selected card, okay? And that's simple sandwich. I hope you like it. I hope you enjoy it. It's really easy to do, not too much, there's no setup, so that's why I like it too. It's just a regular deck of cards, okay? If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I do answer questions, and until next time.